Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we have a fantastic recipe for you. Mustard potato salad. If you're a fan of creamy, tangy, and flavorful potato salads, you're in for a treat. So, let's dive right in. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 pounds of red potatoes, 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon whole grain mustard, 1/4 cup finely chopped red onion, 1/4 cup chopped fresh dill, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Boiling potatoes. Start by washing and boiling 2 pounds of red potatoes until they're fork tender. You want them to be cooked but still firm for that perfect texture in your salad. Preparing the dressing. While the potatoes are boiling, let's whip up our delicious dressing. In a bowl, combine 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of whole grain mustard, 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion, 1/4 cup of fresh dill, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Mix it all together until it's well combined. Cooling and cutting potatoes. Once your potatoes are done, let them cool for a bit. Then, cut them into bite-sized pieces. Leaving the skin on adds a nice rustic touch and extra nutrients. Mixing it all together. Now, combine your chopped potatoes with that amazing dressing we just made. Make sure every potato gets coated in that flavorful goodness. Seasoning to perfection. Time to season. Add salt and pepper to taste. Give it a good mix, and remember, you can always adjust the seasoning to suit your preferences. Chilling. Pop your potato salad in the fridge for at least an hour to let those flavors meld together. This salad is fantastic served cold. And there you have it, our delicious mustard potato salad. Creamy, tangy, and bursting with flavor. It's the perfect side dish for barbecues, picnics, or any meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tasty recipes. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. And we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!